Hi there, beautiful people. It's your girl Iman here. So this is just a small intro video to my home decor channel that I finally decided to make. Basically in here I'm going to be showing you guys how to decorate your house and just home decor tips and people's houses that I have decorated, all the places that I buy my furniture, or anything that I buy in this house, honestly, and for my clients as well. Most of the times they're going to be pretty affordable stuff because I like to save money, and I'm sure you guys want to save money as well. So the places that I shop a lot, honestly, you're going to see a lot of are like Marshalls, TJ Maxx, Ross, Home Goods, Amazon. Sometimes I just don't have patience for the delivery or whatever. But there's Offer Up, and then there's Goodwill, Value Village, all those cool places. Honestly, I am a big advocate of just saving money. So, and I know you guys want to do that too. So if you guys like my content, please like, comment, and subscribe, because that helps me know what you guys want to see more of and what you guys like or don't like, so I can start doing it or whatever. And if you're not already, hello, go to my my Instagram page and follow that. It is Classy-Chic _decor, and I'm gonna have it somewhere around here. And for fashion and makeup and all that cool stuff, weird shenanigans, you can follow my other Instagram page. That is imanmustafa.u. It used to be emo makeup, but since I don't do makeup no more, anyways, it doesn't matter. But yeah, so thank you guys for listening to me rumble this much anyway. So if you've gotten to this point, that means you're pretty serious about my channel, and I appreciate that. So thank you so much. Muchas gracias, and always peace to the Middle East. Okay, stop it.